Relax.
Thinking that this is love, thinking that this is me, thinking that this is us, thinking that this is babe, thinking that this is love, thinking that this is me, thinking that this is us,
Relax.
thinking that this is babe.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Key, and yes, I know the last time you saw me my hair was not this color, so I had like a midlife crisis during quarantine and decided to color my hair. My curls have never looked this good, like, ever. But we're not here to talk about my hair. We're here to talk about, you know, this baby. Am I a fan of the iPhone 12 Pro Max? If you had the 11 Max Pro, I feel as though you don't need to get the 12. I had the 11 Max Pro. I got the 12. Do I regret it? I'm not really sure. I've had this baby for a day. I noticed a huge difference? Not really. I tried taking pictures with my cameras side by side. To me, the pictures look the exact same. It's really up to you. So if you guys want me to maybe wait for about a month to see if I like this new phone or not, you know, I'll definitely do an update on if I like this phone. It definitely is heavier than the 11, a lot heavier and a lot thicker. See how thick this is? It literally is like the iPhone 5, but not. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed.